Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial of NumPy. So today we will be talking about NumPy broadcasting. So in the previous video we had NumPy basics. So today it's little bit on the advanced side. So we will be talking about broadcasting, which is a very powerful mechanism in NumPy that will allow arrays with different shapes and dimensions to be used in at arithmetic operations. Okay, so there are certain rules that you need to look into, so you can pause the video and look into it. So the first rule is if the arrays are of different number of dimensions, the smaller arrays will be padded in the with with the ones on the left side. So see, in this first example, what is happening, there is an array 1 2 3, it's of dimension 3 and it is multiplied by a single number. So what has happened, there is a padding out there, padding, and then you multiply, directly simple multiplication is there. So 1 into 2, 2 into 2 and 3 into 2, so that it becomes 2 4 and 6. Okay, so one more thing, the second rule is if the array of shape of the arrays does not match in any dimension, the dimension of size 1 is stretched to the match the other dimension. Okay, so let's see this part. So in this scenario, what has happened is there is an array, it's a 4 by 3 array, so there are 4 rows and 3 columns, and we had to add with 1 to 3 only. So what will happen, in the previous one it was stretching towards the right hand side, now it will stretch vertically, so it will go and match the dimension of this thing. So there are 4 rows, so it will also become 4 copies of this thing, and then we will add all of them, so simple. The first row will be added with the first row, second row will be added with second row, and so and so. Okay, so one more thing, if the arrays are not compatible for broadcasting, NumPy will raise an error. So we'll see in the next part. See, here we are having 4 rows and 3 columns, and here we are having one row with, but the numbers are there are 4 4 columns. So there is a mismatch. Basically, if numbers if the number had been same, if there had been 4 columns here also, then we could have stretched this to up to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 up to 4 things, but it is only 3, so we can't stretch this part. So this is a mismatch. Okay, yeah. Now if it is a single row, so if it is see, there are 4 rows and 4 columns only. Now we can stretch both of them, we can stretch this part also and this part also. The final result will become something like this. So if it is one only one into 4 into 1 or 1 into 3, then we can stretch this part. So basically 4 into 1, and this is 1 into 3, so this becomes 4 into 3. Okay, so let's go to the examples and we'll see how it works. So if you have any issues regarding anything, do let us know, and I'll try to reply to your comments. Okay, so see, this is the basic thing that we did yesterday also. So let's do it again. So we'll import NumPy as NP, and then we'll create a NumPy array A, and then we'll multiply that array with 2, and then we'll add it with 5. We'll see how it works. Okay. See, this was the default array, 1 2 3 4, and then when you multiply every item of it gets multiplied by 2. If we add with 5, then every item of it gets multiplied by gets added by 5. Okay, so let's move to the next part. So again, so here what we are doing is we are creating two arrays. Okay, so this is 1D broadcasting. So A and B are there, and then we are adding A and B here. Now in this scenario, nothing will happen. I think it's just simple thing, A and B will get a single row. We'll see what we have got: 5 5 7 and 9. Okay, but in the next part what is happening is we have got uh, 2 rows and 3 columns, but in the second part we have got only 1 row. So what will happen is B will be something like this. B will become an NP array. So it will become 10 comma 20 comma 30. So it will become something like this, and then we'll have, you'll add 10 here. You'll have this will become like, when you add a and b, like it will become what, 11, 22, 33. Then again this will be 14, 20, 25 and 36. So let's see, yeah, this is what is happening out here. So it is getting stretched. Okay. So one more thing. Yeah. So here again, what is happening is, there are two rows. Okay, two rows and three columns here. But in this, only two rows are there, but columns are not there. So what will happen? This will stretch towards right side. It will be 10, comma 20, 10, comma 20, 10, comma 20. There will be two 10, comma 20s. Okay. So like basically three 10, comma 20s, because there are three columns here. Okay. So this will become, B will become what? Sorry. This will be just a copy of this part here, and then again here. So there will be three columns here also, and then this will be added. Okay. So we'll see how it works. Oh, just a minute. Three or two, one, two. Yeah, three. Yeah. So see, what happened here? So we'll added 10 plus 1, 20 plus 4, then 2 plus 10, 5 plus 20, 2 plus 3 plus 10, and 6 plus 20. Okay, this is what happened with a plus b, and a into b, it's multiplied with everyone. Okay, so this is how this broadcasting thing happens. Do practice it out at, and try different things, whenever you are trying it out, because otherwise you will be if you're just copying pasting, you will not be learning. Just try different things, that you, there might be errors also sometimes. See, in this scenario, what is happening? I have taken two rows and three columns, but here only one single row. So we'll see, it should raise an error. Yeah. See, the errors are not together, so that's why we are not able to add the two NumPy. Okay, it is. So this is how it will work. So I hope you like. So do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you will continue learning. If you have any problems regarding anything, do comment there, and I will reply to each and every message of yours. Thank you everyone.